Here is the workspace for your business agent. In it, you can manage files, links, documents, images, and videos that your agent can access. When you're finished, simply copy your snippet, paste it onto your website, and your agent will be available 24/7. The dashboard displays your agent's brain and its activity, how many calls and conversations have been handled. You can view the conversation history and examine each interaction individually. The agent extracts relevant information from every call and client interaction, storing it in the lead dashboard, where it gathers as much client data as possible to qualify leads. When a meeting is scheduled, it appears in the meeting dashboard, where you can also set your availability. If the agent flags an issue or needs additional information, it generates an alert requesting clarification or instructions. You can also create a showcase page.